Please come. Come. Yeah, take your seat, please. Your good name?
Ashish Mishra.
Ashish Mishra. Ashish, your name is there? Yes, 14, number 14. Ashish Mishra. Please introduce yourself, Mishra.
Thank you. Sir, I passed my electrical engineering from College of Engineering Technology. From then, I am continuing my legal education along with preparing from civil services. Then I am deeply interested in international relations.
Okay.
Apart from cooking and
Okay. Ashish, what are your hobbies?
so cooking and reading non-fictional books.
Like?
So non-fictional books like I've read Sir Subrata Bakchi's, Subrata Bakchi's Go Kiss the World. Then Arvind Adiga's White Tiger, that's a fictional book. Then Homo Sapiens and Robin Sharma's the monk who wrote the monk who sold his Ferrari.
Okay, now, Diptesh, is that it? Sorry, what was that?
Ashish Mishra.
Ashish. Now, you tell us you're international relations scholar, aren't you?
Yes, sir.
Tell us briefly the Afghanistan situation.
Sir, Afghanistan situation, actually Afghanistan is in flux because there are tribal conflict which is colored by religious conflict and in addition to which international politics, geopolitics in play. This division and friction actually makes the situation so clumsy. Actually, it is very deep. It is actually in a situation of flux where everyone is fighting with everyone. And it will take, in my view, it will take some time in stabilizing actually the flux situation. But the citizens of Afghanistan are suffering because of that.
What should be the stand of India?
Actually, sir, India's stand is actually the government of Afghanistan should be Afghan-owned, Afghan-led, respect of human rights and human rights. In addition to, there should be no ungoverned spaces which would lead to the rise of terrorism.
Now, what do you think, Ashish, of the farmers' agitation now almost 1 year old in near Delhi, Punjab, farmers, EP, Haryana? So their demand is give us assurance, legal assurance of MSP will go away. What is the problem? Government should, it's a very simple demand.
So actually, it might sound simple, but actually, we should have we have a farm policy, and the farm policy should be actually that the government's farm policy is actually encouraging privatization. Private participation.
But the MS Swaminathan also, that expert committee also said MSP should be there, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually MSP would be 1.5%, like 1.5 times. But actually the condition should be that the demand and supply should be at the similar level. No? If actually we are producing much rice, so actually if there is no MSP, the prices should automatically fall. So we should actually diversify our
Okay, sorry Ashish, I am cutting you short. What about the controversy about the Citizenship Amendment Bill? What is the controversy about?
So actually,
Tamil Nadu recently passed a resolution, unanimous resolution in the assembly, saying that we are against this amendment. So what's the problem?
Sir, actually, I don't think, sir, may I express some words?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, actually, Citizenship Amendment Act रे से कहते जे जो आमे बाहर देशर जो आसंते बाहर देशर जो आसंते हिंदूस पार्सीस और सिख्स और की अन्य ये एसेट मुस्लिम्स आमे ताको रेफ्यूजी स्टेटस में जो स्टेटस तब सिटीजनशिप स्टेटस तब वो माने जीवन के प्री डेटेड आछंती 2014 ये रो पूर्व आसंते बट एमन बाकी सब लोग कहते जे कौन ना सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट चलो ठीक अच्छे कारण स्टाटस दूसरी बट इश्यू हो कौन ना से कहते जे एनआरसी सहित जोड़ते जे एनआरसी रे जो माने बाहर रही से काले मे भी एक्सक्लूडेड होता एंटी माइनॉरिटीज बट इन माय व्यू इफ द एनआरसी is not, NRC is not being carried out all over India. ଯେହେତୁ sir all over India NRC ହେଇନି ତେଣୁ NRC ରୁ minorities
Yeah,
ଭାଇ
it is not that simple either according to some people. For instance, Sri Lankan Tamil, they are persecuted and they have been there in Tamil Nadu for about more than 25 years. There is no provision for them. In other words, some of the states stand is, this is a little limited in scope, it is not equal, and therefore it offends the fundamental right of equality. Because if you are talking about giving asylum to people who are legitimately persecuted, the immediate neighbor of Sri Lanka is there. You have your eyes on Bangladesh, Pakistan, but this is exclusionary. It is an exclusionary amendment, it is not inclusive, and therefore discriminatory, and therefore offensive of the fundamental rights and violative of the basic principle. That seems to be the opinion of some of the states. What do you think?
Sir, actually, in my view, so first of all, some people have entered India, maybe through illegal or various means, and they cannot be returned back. And they have been living for generations in India. And if they cannot be returned, we should. We are actually in a.
The objection is not to that.
Sir,
It is not. The objection is not to legitimizing, receiving, giving asylum to people. The objection is to potential exclusion of certain categories. Like for instance Sri Lanka Tamils, because the paradigm of religion is not there. But the fact is they are definitely persecuted, that's why they are here. That kind of a thing. You see? Therefore, it should, anyway, we leave it there. It's a very big debate, let us not get into that. Sir, now you can take over.
Have you visited Nandakana?
Yes, sir.
There are many problems in Nandakana. As an administrator, what are the problems you visualize and how you solve it?
Sir, actually, I recently read a news regarding Nandakanan that due to COVID-19 crisis, the visitors have declined. So actually, the budget of Nandakanan is shoestring. So they have called some people to adopt some animals. Actually, I think that's a good step. And apart from this, actually, we could actually Nandakanan. We are taking some fees only for the visitors actually, but we are not providing any others. Actually, when one visit Mysore Zoo and other zoos, actually they are providing some amenities.
What is the structural difference between Mysore Zoo and Nandakana?
Then I think the size actually. I visited the Mysore Zoo. Actually, I find a little small in size, but various facilities which can generate revenues.
But Nandakanan is in natural setting.
Yes, sir.
Mysore Zoo in animals are in cage.
Yes, sir.
They are not in jungles, they are in cages. The tail.
So actually, and they have various amenities which can be revenue generating actually. And I don't find that much amenities which are revenue generating amenities.
What are the problems facing by Nandakanan?
So actually, I don't have.
So, have you seen in Chandigarh there is a rock garden?
Sir, I have not visited.
If not visited, do
Yes,
you
sir.
know it?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Is there any potentiality in Odisha to develop such garden and generate revenue?
Yes, sir.
Where you can
Sir, actually, sir, may I speak in Odia?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, ଆମର ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ actually ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ପଥରର ଶିଳ୍ପୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ରଘୁନାଥ ମହାପାତ୍ର ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଶିଳ୍ପୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ବି ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି କାମ କିଛି ମିଳୁ
rock garden means all broken things,
ସାର୍
not monumental.
ସାର୍ ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ସାର୍
Utilization of the broken things.
ବୋଲି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଗାର୍ଡେନ୍ ଯଦି ହେଇପାରିବ ଯୋଉଟା କି ମନ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ
Very good. Okay.
You around Odisha, what are the neighboring states?
ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ସାର୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ ଛତିଶଗଡ଼ ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ
West Bengal, Jharkhand, where? In which direction?
ସାର୍ ନର୍ଥ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲ ଦେନ୍ ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ then Chhattisgarh, then
North.
no sir, with Chhattisgarh West, then South Andhra Pradesh.
Only this.
Yes sir. Now Telangana actually after demarcation division of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, so some district of Telangana touched, but after reorganization, it's not.
No Telangana.
No sir.
So what is your idea about one nation and one election?
Sir, actually,
Is it feasible?
sir, sir, if I may have the sir, actually, in my opinion, actually, it is practically, it may sound a good idea, but it is practically, politically not feasible actually.
But it was during
Sir.
from 1950 to 1967.
Sir, actually, that during that time, there was not that political instability actually. In this political instability, when
No, we can amend it, we can deal things likewise, so we can save a lot for development purpose.
sir, actually,
If some states is not in a position to run the government, there may be president for that period of 1 month or 2 months or 1 year.
sir, actually, if the government fail after 1 year, 4 years.
Likewise, they have to think of some strategy
Sir, actually-
to have that.
Sir, there are some suggestions like that.
In your view,
Yes, sir.
which government is better, parliamentary form of government or presidential form of government like in US?
Sir, every government has some demerit and demerit, but according to Indian diversity, and we need actually parliamentary form of government, because if we are not in a position to give.
You know the cost of one Lok Sabha election. It is same as the presidential election.
Yes, sir.
Vajpayee defeated within 13 days. Again is election. See the huge cost.
Sir, actually, in president election, one man will be president, and we cannot give space to the diversity. Actually, no. There are various groups, various tribes. They will demand to leadership. Actually.
In also democracy, the one-man democracy. Your one-man democracy.
No, sir. C2 had to adopt various groups, various tribals, various groups, various sections. C2 have to adopt.
Okay.
स्वास्थ्य कार्ड भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चलसी ओडिसा रे व्हाट इज दैट
सर विजु स्वास्थ्य कार्ड सर एक्चुअली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होची कोन माने हम डिजिटाइजेशन होची जोटा हमर आगु कोन होता ना हम हेल्थ का गला को हम रजिस्टर करतु ये करतु से जो माने हासल को कमे पई हम स्वास्थ्य कार्ड करा होची जोटा कि माने लोकटा जाई कि डायरेक्ट स्वास्थ्य कार्ड लेके कि आ माने डायरेक्ट माने फंडा पाई परियो आ से हासल जोटा माने फॉर्म फिल अप करे सेटा होबनी
डायरेक्ट हेल्थ बेनिफिट
हां सर
ठीक है सर ओके
Okay. Right, Ashish, we are stopping here. You are very good. This is the first time you are appearing?
sorry sir
Huh?
first attempt
First attempt. This is the first mock interview?
yes sir
Huh? No, sir.
first not
You have done elsewhere?
yes sir
So how do you feel now?
okay
No, we could have engaged you more on the, because we are really running short of time, that's why you are very good. You have any questions to ask of us?
no sir sir actually I am actually my one issue is that sir actually if I am continuing in Odia actually I cannot switch up to English actually so
Well, your English is good, your Odia is good.
English is good.
English is good, and but anyhow you want, because this is Odia is our official language.
yes, sir.
Absolutely no problem. But your English is very good because you are using the word space in a very, very appropriate sense also. Because
Sir, I suggested one thing. Have you a big mirror in your house?
yes sir
Stand in front of the mirror.
sir.
English paper भरो कोण आसुची
So English word sir mu actually Indian Express magaye
read that Indian Express loudly and practice all the answer question answer
sir
FAQ type question answer
Hmm.
whatever we are asking
Ah.
practice them.
Correct.
ek
But anyhow, let it not be a block mental block. Because even most of us are, at least my mother tongue is not Odia, but I have a habit of slipping into Odia because it happens. So be natural. The whole thing is, if you find it is rhythmic, You can switch over to Odia, come back.
You can express
No,
it.
correct, no, sir, if you don't mind, that kind of thing.
So actually, another issue, sir. Actually, I did my LLB actually. Post.
Yeah.
No, sir. Post BTech.
Yeah.
But I am preparing for civil service full time actually, and for the OPC actually, I did actually cover 6 laws actually. Those are in syllabus. I am not covered actually the Clauses Act, Limitation Act, and some Evidence Act. So
No, Ashish, I tell you what, in our assessment, we have given you top ranking, okay? The whole thing is your assurance. See, we are not looking for, I am not looking to what you have not able to answer. We are looking into what you have been able to answer. Particularly, sir, as presidential or, you spoke with conviction. Sir, it's a very diverse country. There will be no space left if it is a one-man show. Yes, there can be many other arguments, and they may agree, they may disagree. But the point is, you have a very independent view, you are convinced about it, and you are able to articulate things. Sir, I have my strong reservation about presidential form because India's diversity will not be able to find a space in that kind of arrangement. That is how it is. I am looking for, this is a test of your, what is the positive you are thinking. Here is a young man who brings a lot of independent thinking, very positive thinking. So that is how it is. Don't ask all these things. Because there will be certain areas, like for instance, you tell them, sir, this is a subject, it is a work in progress, I have not completed it. Be honest, honesty is the best one. Be honest to the board whenever you feel like. But the board will be mature enough, senior enough to find that this is excellent material. You get the point. So don't worry. It is not what you are not able to answer that we are going to look upon. It is what you are answering, how and what courage of conviction is coming, seeping through that. So we are old people, we know how to judge personality. It's an assessment of personality. And yours is a good personality, Ashish. Okay? Only thing is posture. Most common. Because your mind, it's a self-doubt. If self-doubt is nagging at you, you should be very
Confident.
It's not a know-all attitude. You will not know all. Definitely not we. It's a journey. Okay? It's an unending. But what you say, speak with courage. You have to be polite and deferential, but speak with assurance. And you have to say, sir, if I may, don't be very, very tentative. Obviously, it's your views. They may agree, they may disagree, that's not bad. But you own up your views. Take responsibility for yours. You are excellent, Ashish. You will do very well.
So
Okay.
one thing I have to suggest.
Yes, please.
From your side, don't tell that I have not read Indian Evidence Act or Limitation Act. Don't please say like that.
No, sir.
If they ask anything you do not know, let a little polite no.
Sir, actually.
Sir, I will be excused, I cannot answer this. Just now, just this much. But don't say that I have not read that act, because you are a law
Leave
student.
it to the board because they are
Yes.
old enough, they are experienced enough to assess your personality. They will not misjudge you. Don't do it. Okay?
But sit straight.
Sir, this.
Very politely, but firmly. But firmness, it's a strong personality. Quiet, what they call quiet assurance. You must be assured, self-possessed. Doesn't matter, let the questions come and he says, sorry sir, I'll read it up sir. If you want to edit it up, sir, I'll read it up, I am not. So, but with that assurance. Don't be perturbed. Okay, all the best Ashish.
More looks into your personality and leadership qualities. This
Okay.
one.
So this uniform actually.
Yes, yes.
That's fine. But your posture is slightly slouchy. It's a young man, full of energy. You, energetic, enthusiastic. And look straight in the eyes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best. You are making it Ashish. God bless you.
Sir, thank you, sir.